Alright, so yeah, this video means you want to know how to be an AI receptionist. And quite frankly, that is a very intelligent approach because AI is now taking all over the world and businesses and everything. So you learning how to be an AI receptionist is one of the most valuable skills you will need in this AI era. So with that being said, let's go ahead with this video.
Hey guys, so yeah, let's go ahead with the video. So firstly, what you want to do, you want to go to a website called retail.com. This is um my own retail account, and you want a prompt that you can use to give to this AI. So me, I already have my prompt over here. I already have my prompt over here, which I'm going to copy. Sorry. Sorry. So I'm going to copy. Come over here. I say create an agent. I'll put voice agent. Then go to single prompt agent. Then click create. It's gonna take me to this long stuff here. Then I'm gonna paste. If you want this prompt, it's going to be in the description. So after I click this, now we need a way our AI can be booking appointments. So see, check calendar availability. So here, then we need an API key from cow.com. So another thing you want to do now is go to cow.com and you create an account. So me, I already have my account here, so I'll click new. Yeah, then I can just say YouTube tutorial. YouTube, just YouTube is okay. Then duration 15 minutes is okay, not bad. Then I'm going to click create. After it's created, we can put availability, like when will be available and stuff, yeah, so that when the AI is booking clarity to the calendar, it will know times you'll be available and stuff. So yeah, we have created our event, but we're not done yet. We need to we need to connect our calendar. Like mine is already connected. But if you use Google to open cow.com, your calendar will be automatically connected. See, my Google account is connected. So when you connect your own, yeah, you need to connect your calendar. See, my own calendar is connected. You can add a calendar if you want. So since you know that part, let's go ahead and continue. We now have our YouTube tutorial event created. So we are available Monday to Fridays. By the availability is here. We see the times we are available and everything. So we'll go back to this place. You see these numbers down in this link. We're going to copy it. And go over to retail and paste it here. No, and paste it under the event type ID. We're going to paste it there. So for our API key, we'll go to cow.com and create another API. We'll go to cow.com and create an API key. Go to cow.com and create an API key. You can add a new one. Let's say YouTube. Then we're going to copy it and we're going to paste it here. That's for check availability. Then we're going to do the same for book calendar appointments. The same thing. ID. Copy this one here and paste it here. It's as simple as that. Your AI is done. So we want to test this agent now. Alright, so let's test this thing out. But before I continue, um, I want to say this. If you're building it for a client, you need to put the time zone in where the client is in. So as I am now, I am in Africa, Lagos. So I put the time zone in my current location so that when the AI is booking an appointment, it will tally with my schedule and my appointments and stuff. I think you get what I'm saying. But if I'm building it for a client that is in the US, let's say California or Los Angeles, for example, I'll put the time zone in America slash Los Angeles. So it has a format. You put the country slash the states, or no, sorry, the country slash the city you're in. No, the continent slash the country you're in. So it's the continent slash the city you're in. So that's the format of app you use it. So let's just test it out and see.
Thank you for calling Julius Dental. This is the virtual receptionist. How may I help you today?
Oh, hey there. So I'm thinking of coming in to check my teeth.
That sounds great. May I have your full name, please?
My full name is Julius Julian.
Thank you, Julius. Is this your first time visiting Julius Dental?
Yes, it is.
Welcome, Julius. So what brings you in today? Is it a routine checkup, cleaning, tooth pain, cosmetic work, or something else?
Oh, just a medical checkup. I just want to check in on my teeth. Just to...
Perfect. A routine dental checkup. What's the best phone number to reach you?
Oh, the phone number I'm calling.
No worries if you need a moment. Thank you. I'll use the number you're calling from for your appointment. Do you have an email address where we can send your appointment confirmation?
My email address is juliusjulian305@gmail.com, and I would love to come in around December 30th on a Tuesday by 12 p.m.
You're all set, Julius. I'm booking your checkup for Tuesday, December 30th at 12 p.m. You'll receive a confirmation by email shortly. Perfect. You're scheduled for Tuesday, December 30th at 12 p.m. You'll receive a confirmation shortly. We look forward to seeing you at Julius Dental. Have a great day.
Have a lovely day. And it automatically hang up the call. So that is what it's for. And you see, it booked the appointment exactly as it is. YouTube Betray. This YouTube Betray is, remember when we created an event in cow.com, the title was YouTube. So anytime you send it will put the title of the event we placed it to be. So yeah, title between Julius Julian and Julius. I set my name in my cow.com as Julius Julian, and when I was calling them, I also used my name. So it will bring out. But if I was calling and I say my name is Simon, for example, it will put Julius Julian and Simon, because I am the organizer and Simon is the guest. So it also gave me the time and the time zone, who and who. It would have said, as soon as I put my name as Simon, the guest name would have been Simon, and the organizer name would have still been my name, Julius Julian, and it automatically put a Zoom meeting URL for us. You know, like Zoom, but cow.com automatically puts a meeting URL for us so that we can meet up at this exact time. I also put it's our first time, and all that. You also place new patient data checkup. So this is just amazing. So you can literally sell this to any client at $5,000, $4,000, and they'll pay you because they know the value of this. So this is how to build an AI receptionist. If you have more questions or I didn't do some things well, send me down in the comment section, or tell me down in the comment section, and I'll make sure I make sure I reply you. Thank you and have a lovely day.
So that's how we build an AI receptionist that books clients into your calendar, reschedules appointments, books meeting, and does many and every other stuff. So if you want more content like this, or you want to know how to build more AI systems, then follow me and I'll see you in the next video.